Ayan na nga guys, may bago na tayong Kinder Joy at parang lumiit yata yung isang kamay ko. Ano nangyari? Oh, it's my little helper's hand. Ayan. So yung little helper ko guys, kinain na niya yung candy ni Kinder Joy, no, yung chocolate ni Kinder Joy. Kaya ngayon kalahati na lang yung itlog na bubuksan natin. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, bubuksan na ng aking little helper ang Kinder Joy with Tweety Bird. Here, open mo na nga eh. Take it off. Boop. Then, okay. Get the instructions. And this is the one that we get. There's a bathroom. And then there's a Tweety Bird. Puin na namin ang Tweety Bird. The foot, the back part. Ayan. Let's put the base. And then, Tweety Bird taking a shower. Walang stickers.
Wala.
Yeah. Ah, yung galing mo. We put it on the back nga. Ah, you're right. You're so smart. Is my little helper so smart?
Wow.
You put the card in the back para mukha talaga siyang naliligo. Show it to the camera. Here. Ay, too much. Here. Yan.
I thought I uploaded that. I did upload that.
Tweety Bird has a big voice kasi. You wanna watch Tweety Bird ba?
Nya.
May malaki siyang butas sa tuktok na heart shape. Yun lang guys, for now, isa lang muna yung binili natin. Pero pupunta tayo sa Pure Gold. Titignan natin kung meron sila ng mga 3-pack at susubukan natin kumpletuhin ang ilang piraso ba to? 1, 2, 8. 8 pieces ng Looney Tunes Tweety Bird na Kinder Joy. So yun lang, stay tuned guys. Follow for more. Papara papi!